Incomplete dominance is the phenomena of the incomplete expression of the dominant gene in the particular cross. We can see this in the Snapdragon spaces, in which the two types of petals, two types of colors of the petals are seen. One petal having the violet color and one petal having the white color. When the violet color will be expressed, it is the dominant feature and which can be expressed by the capital RR. And when the small petal, the white color, which is expressed by the small RR. Here you can see this is the parent plant in which the red color is appearing by the homozygous dominant allelic combination and the white color is appearing by this homozygous recessive allelic combination. When this is allowed to cross or hybridize in the first generation, the appearance is the capital R, one gene from the parent and one gene from the recessive parent. So heterozygous allelic combination is appearing in the F1 generation. But it is seen that if it is dominant allele capital R, and what should be the character, that all the petals color should be red, all the petal color should be red. But what is happening, all the petals, all the plants which are growing in the first generation having the neither red color nor white color, but all the plants in the first generation having the pink petal color. So this is expressing that here the capital RR is unable to express its character dominantly, and results into what is the expression of the character of the pink color in the first generation. When it is allowed to self-cross, capital R smaller, capital R smaller in the case of male, and capital R smaller in the case of female, and when it is selfed, after the selfing it has been seen that capital R smaller and a small R. In this cross it is seen that this capital RR is red, capital R small r is pink, and a small r is white. Here also we are looking that again the capital RR has recovered its red color, but the capital R smaller where it has to express the red color due to the presence of the dominant allele, it is expressing the pink color, and a small r is expressing its own color, white color. When the genotypic or phenotypic ratio we have discussed about, we have seen that one capital RR and two capital R small r, one capital RR and two capital R small r, and one smaller. So the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and phenotypic ratio is 1 red, 2 pink and 1 white. In this incomplete dominance we have seen that despite the presence of the capital or dominant allele, character is not going to express of the dominant allele, and the red color has not been expressed by the presence of heterozygous allelic combination capital R small r. White happened. When it was analyzed, then it was found that the gene have to express the character by the stimulation of an enzyme. If the enzyme is formed less efficient, if the less efficient enzyme is formed inside the body, then the character of the capital R is not going to express. Enzyme is the main component of the catalyst which have to express or which have to stimulate the character of the any gene. If enzyme is not functional, enzyme which is meant for the expression and stimulation of the capital R, if it is not functional, again there will be not expression of character. And if enzyme not formed, less efficient enzyme, या normal enzyme formation, या non-functional enzyme formation, या enzyme not formed. These are the three reasons why that capital R has not expressed its character. So this is incomplete dominance which has been seen into the anterior spaces. We have to see in the codominance. We know that in the human body there is a blood group found, that is the A blood group, AB blood group, O blood group, B blood group. We know that this is the ABO blood group, and this ABO blood group is shown by the gene that is known as I gene. I gene has three allelic combination. It may be the capital IA, it may be the capital IB, and it may be the small I. We have to know that on the plasma membrane of RBC there is a gene found that is called I, and that is meant for the formation of a particular sugar molecule. We have to know that if a RBC and have the plasma membrane, on the RBC of the plasma membrane capital IA is present, that will be making its own type of sugar. So in such individual, if the capital IA is present, own type of sugar is formed and A blood group is formed. In the particular individual on the plasma membrane of RBC, if capital IB is present, then own particular sugar is formed. So in that individual B blood group is formed. And in the particular individual, if the plasma membrane have isin, a small isin is there, no blood sugar is formed, no sugar polymer is formed. So if the sugar formation is not there, we can say that O blood group, a small I is the recessive allele, so O blood group is formed. But we have to see that capital IA is dominant over small I, capital IB is dominant over the small I, and capital IA and capital IB are both are dominant. In that case, if the plasma membrane in the particular individual of the RBC are having the two alleles IA and IB, so both dominant alleles will be making their own type of sugars, and if the own type of sugars are formed, the blood group is formed AB blood group, because two types of sugar have formed, two types of alleles are there, and both are dominant, so no one is going to suppress, no one is going to recessive and hide their character, so AB blood group is formed. We can see this through a chart. If the alleles from the parent IA is combining with the parent of allele given by the parent 2 IA, then IA coming, A blood group is formed. Capital IA, capital IB is combining, codominance is here. IA is forming its sugar, IB is forming its sugar, IA and IB is making these sugars. So the both blood group is formed because two types of sugar are formed. So in this individual, AB blood group is formed. Capital I, a small I is coming. Capital IA is dominant over a small I, so A blood group is formed because IA is making its sugar. Capital IB, capital IA, codominance, IB will be making its sugar, IA will be making its sugar, so IA, IB will be making AB blood group. IB is dominant over the IB, so IB is making B blood group. IB is dominant over the small I, so IB will be making its sugar, so B blood group is formed. A small I and a small I are recessive, so they will have to not make any sugar, so O blood group is formed because they are recessive. So in that case, we have to study only that in codominance means the dominance of two alleles equal dominance. No two allelic combination are coming together and both are dominantly expressing their character and making their own expression, performing their own specific character by expressing their character. So this process is known as codominance, and it is seen in the blood group case IA and IB. Thank you.